Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame, we have the bulls yet again holding the middle Bollinger Band 4 days in a row. Not a huge convincing bullish day, but we did see a run up at the end of the day, which is like clockwork these days. Between 3 and 4, the price goes up. That's just what has been happening. So the key support I'm watching is the low of this week and the low of this period of consolidation, 226.32, and resistance is the high of this little bounce attempt since we've been testing the middle Bollinger Band, and that's up at 228.59. So the bulls are still remaining in control on the daily time frame with these higher lows, and as long as we hold that middle Bollinger Band, that's going to be the case. The weekly time frame is very likely going to form an inside candlestick, showing a tightening range compared to last week, and we'll be watching for a break of this range next week, as that's likely to be unchanged tomorrow with one trading day left to go. So the 5-minute time frame today for SPY was a bit tricky. The bulls were clearly in control to start today, and then we just saw an hour in a row of red. And this bounce was pretty nice and fairly easy because it was right off the last 5-minute moving average support of the 100 period, 227.19, and the middle Bollinger Band on the daily was 227.22. So when you have an hour in a row of red, I think it was 55 minutes, and then you hit a key daily middle Bollinger Band support and it lines up with the last 5-minute moving average support, that's multiple reasons that you can be confident to see at least a short-term bounce, and it ended up bouncing for an hour. Then we formed a higher low and a higher high, and this kind of pullback right here really threw a lot of traders for a loop, including myself, just because it was a wonky trend here. You can see all this directional, very consistent with its direction, but just no real pattern between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. So there's the end of the day action with the bulls buying the dip again to ensure holding that middle Bollinger Band. And where that puts us on the hourly time frame as we head into tomorrow, we have key hourly moving average support. Yesterday we rejected from the 100 period hourly resistance, and we didn't even test that level today. So that is a key resistance we'll be watching. It's getting close to 228. And we're watching supports of 227.51 and 227.41, but those are going to change by the time we open tomorrow. So again, it just all boils down. Every day it's the same thing. Watch how the price reacts to the middle Bollinger Band on the daily, see if the bulls continue to hold it, and I'm still waiting for the bears to be able to close close to the low of the day, which they have not done pretty much in 2017. We have one day in 2017 where we closed close to the low of the day, and of course in a whole month of trading that is not significant at all. So bulls still holding strong. We'll see how we close the week out. Middle Bollinger Band daily support is going to be in the low 227.30s tomorrow. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in to wrap up the week. Have a great night.